Robots. Robots! They're coming to get me! Are the robots coming to get you? The robots, they're coming. They're coming. They're coming. The robots. They're coming to get me! The robots are not coming to get you. I'm sorry. It's not a glamorized Hollywood production. They're not coming to get you. But, and I want to share this with you right now. There's plenty of opportunity for you to go get them. What do I mean by that? You can program AI agents. AI agents, there's a couple of different things if you look at it from the consumer perspective or whether you're looking at it from a developer perspective. Saw a really great in-depth video about the developers of AI, and honestly, it can be a bit of a snooze fest if you're not very heavy tech related. But I will probably just post a link down for you guys so you can dig as far as you want, go down that rabbit hole all you want. But I'm talking to you guys about what it takes, why are AI agents in the news lately. And it really has to do with, obviously, everybody's talking about DeepSeek and AI and the next generation of ChatGPT and all the different things that are happening around AI. I want you to stop the hysteria right now. What I understand is that really, unless you have more time in your day, unless you've got more than 24 hours, then you need something to leverage your time. Unless, of course, and this is the disclaimer right now, if you are excited about mediocrity, then stop the video. Right now, I want you to go do something else. Go pick up your phone and play Block Blast or whatever you want to play. Walk away now. For those of you who are interested in actually excelling and going beyond what your normal human bandwidth can possibly accomplish, then stay with me all the way. I've been working really, really hard at several things when it comes to the ideas of automation and how to make everything that I do a little bit easier. Now, it's not going to be I can't remember which store it was, the easy button. It's not, that was easy. No, everything requires work. But you have to decide. You have to really figure out where you're most effective. What do you do? And I have conversations regularly with people who are in real estate. A lot of great realtors, high performers, high net worth individuals. You'll see a huge varying degree in how people spend their time and what their skill sets are and how they compensate for areas that they might be missing. Now, I do a lot of different things. Call me a serial entrepreneur, perhaps, but I'm very highly focused in the mortgage industry, but also really, really understanding and building out AI and building out processes and teaching other small business owners and individuals like yourself how to make money, monetize this thing we call AI. And it really is the idea of just leveraging your time. I spent a little bit of time recently in developing my own AI agent, and I got a chance to actually demo her with a group of realtors that I work with on a regular basis. Great people, busy people, and like many folks, don't necessarily have a grasp of how they can utilize the tools in the marketplace, not only to make your life easier, but how to set yourself apart from your competition. I'm going to talk about this one more time because I want you to understand it. AI is not going to put you out of business. Your competition that uses AI will put you out of business. If you're not using the tools to grow your, I don't care what it is, to grow your reach, to refine your processes, to lead you in a direction that is going to free up some of your own personal time so you can spend it more effectively. If you're not using these tools, then go do something else. Do it now. Figure out what else you're good at. Maybe you're an artist. Maybe you're a singer. Maybe you want to do interpretive yoga. I have no idea what it is. I hear goat yoga is pretty fun. All it is, there are tools that are available for you right now in the marketplace. And if this dummy, if this guy, 51 years old, with a pile of gray hair, can lead you in the direction and can figure it out, then you can figure it out too. I'm no genius. In fact, I was probably a C student at best. But I have figured out some basic truths. If you want something to work, you have to work at it. Okay? Don't be a spoiled baby. There are no shortcuts. Well, I can't say there are no shortcuts. There are some hacks. We'll call them hacks, right? We'll call them, there are some business shortcuts that you can take, but there's no shortcutting effort. Technology helps you get to the front of the line and stay there. And if you're ready for that, then let's talk. Obviously, one of my big things, I love promoting people who work. I love promoting people who are building their brand. And I get really excited about it. So I'm sorry if your microphone, rest in peace to your speakers or earbuds or whatever you're wearing. My apologies. I get a little excited. But I'm excited about you. What I want you to do right now is, while I'm talking, scroll down a little bit into the comments below my comment. I want you to post who you are. I want you to post what your YouTube channel, your Instagram, whatever your socials are, post it there, because I want this to be a community for all of us. I'm a firm believer that a rising tide raises all ships. I want you to be there, and when I say it, it's not bullshit. I'm being honest. I want as many people to succeed as possible, to break out of the box that you've worked yourself into, where you've decided to trade your time at a wholesale rate while you're trying to live a retail life. Drop it down below. We'll check you out and follow you. We'll help promote you. Do it. It's free. It's one of the favorite features that people like in anything. It's free. Back to AI agents. Let's talk about this. Now, when you talk about AI agents, there's a couple of different things. The framework is really different from what an actual AI agent is, as opposed to what we're used to using. The word agent being the operative term. The agent is something that assists you. It guides you. It helps you. A real estate agent helps in your real estate transaction, right? The agent, you have a travel agent. It helps. They help you get to where you want to go and figure things out along the way. The term agent is being loosely applied here, so keep that in mind. What it really does is it follows a linear path based upon the language that you input, and it gives you certain responses. Now, you can tweak those responses with the almighty prompt. Oh, the prompt, right? That's what we're looking for to refine everything that we do, for outputs for text to image, text to video, voice to image, whatever you want to do. The prompt is the key. It leads things down a certain path and tells it what to do and what sort of outputs that you desire. And when we talk about the AI agent, I was recently listening to a business news channel, and somebody made a bold enough statement, and I wish I could get the clip. If I find it, I'll post it for you guys. But they're talking about how AI agents are potentially America's new oil. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to go conquer foreign countries and do all of the other fun things that are meant for another discussion about oil, but that it's it's a resource that America's really trying hard to be the leader in this category. When I told you that in the 10 years that AI is going to be a $1 trillion industry, there's literally now financial pledges over the next 3 to maximum 5 years to have up to $1 trillion in investment in AI. So, are you going to go hide in a hole and cry and wait for it to come get you, like iRobot and the Terminator, or whatever else? Or are you going to grasp the opportunity now and run with it? What I'm showing you is not complicated. I'm going to show you one thing that I really like about the AI agent process. Now, with anything you do in business, you have to know how to handle your clients, how to stay top of mind, and how to service your clientele, and to be available. That's a huge thing. Being available is great for your customers. This is behind the scenes. I'm peeling back the curtain for you. This is inside of my favorite tool that has AI elements, but it is not an AI tool in a massive scale. It has AI built into it, but it is go high level. Right here, Go High Level, guys. Go High Level, to me, is the #1 comprehensive CRM tool that's out there. Yes, I realize that there's competition in the marketplace, and that's a good thing. But I love Go High Level for a lot of things that it does. It creates my landing pages, my funnels. It helps me stay top of mind with my clients and customers. And if you've opted into some of my stuff, it's communicating with you for me while I'm sleeping, and can do the same thing for you with your clients. Go High Level is multifaceted. It's not just a CRM, it's also your ad platform. It is your AI generated social media calendar. It can create content for you in the blink of an eye and schedule it out every single day for as long as you possibly want to. It can do all kinds of posting, including YouTube if I so choose, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. It can do all of these things for you, and it brings me down to one awesome feature that I demoed. And I want to introduce you to Vera. If you look on the screen now, you can name your AI agent anything you want. The AI agent is there to answer the phone for you, okay? Now, they are there to pick up the phone when you don't. A lot of people, we still value human connection for one reason or another. We value the idea that another human would take interest in what we want and what we desire, and that they would actually help us get to that point, to accomplish those goals. But we're also consumers, aren't we? We buy things, and when we want to learn something, we want to buy something, we want to, especially a service, whether it be real estate or an engineer, an architect, and anything, you sometimes still want to pick up the phone and you want to talk to a human being. And us as consumers, when we call somebody, if someone doesn't answer the phone, what do? Next. That's what you do. You go to the next person, the next business in line that stands a chance of answering the phone. Well, there's no reason for you, as hard as it is, if you're a small business owner, please tell me you get this. Throw a comment down below and say, I'm a small business owner. Tell me that you understand. You work very hard. You've put a lot of money. You've put a lot of sweat equity. You've put your hopes and dreams into building your business. There's zero excuse for you to miss a call from a potential client. Zero. I'm sorry to be direct like that, but you're an adult, and I think you can handle this. You should always answer. They should know that there's someone on the other side. This helps you do that. I don't care if you like to answer the phone personally during the day, but between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. or whatever it is when you start interacting with other humans the following day, something should be there in your place. And if you don't, that's okay, because someone else will. And I'm not kidding. I want to show you one of the simple things that you can possibly do inside of Go High Level. This is a service that I offer to my clients. Right here, you can name them whatever you want. There's a ton of different types of voices that you can pick from, and it's ever growing. I picked a particular one. Grace, royal, smooth, precise dictation. You're not going to hear it if I play it here, but this is, the agent picks up all incoming calls. If I were to change this, I could have it go to anything, to different times phone and availability. I could say, hey, agent, as a backup to my phone number. So if I don't answer during the day, for some reason, it will then roll over to them. I could set working hours for the agent to pick up. If I say Monday, I can pick the times, whatever the times are. It's really that simple. It doesn't have to do it all the time, but somebody should. Now, you get to test it out. You get to try it out. It gives you call logs of when people have called you, conversations that have taken place. I've put this through some tests. The agent goals. This is really simple. You're telling it what you want it to do for you. And here is the almighty prompt. This prompt isn't huge. It's not that big. I've custom tailored this to do some simple things, but one of them is to get precise information, to spell out the caller's email address, their name, the telephone number, to repeat it to them. your actions, your prompt guidelines, and what you're asking it to do. You're asking it to transfer the call to you, if you so want. You can trigger a workflow, which is really exciting because as they grab the information, they can then push it into your CRM, into a specific follow-up funnel, so that you can call them or your system can engage with them in SMS or email the following day. But likely, and what should happen, is you pick up the phone and you call that person the next day and engage in that personal relationship. Is it good or good? Yes or yes? Because there isn't a no. This is an opportunity for you to not just streamline, but to be more. To be in more places at the same time, so to speak. You can custom tailor this to do whatever you would like it to do. To receive email notifications, custom emails to go out. This is a really simple prompt, guys, and I want to be able to show you what it sounds like and what it does. So I'm going to call Vera, and we're going to have a quick conversation. Are you ready for that?
Hey, you have reached Gorilla AI Tools. How can I help you today?
Hi, what did you say your name is?
Hey there. I'm Vera, your dedicated support specialist. How can I assist you today?
Hey Vera, what services do you guys offer?
We offer a range of services, including one-on-one coaching, AI video production, website design, social media management, and strategy development. We also implement AI agents and employees, create chatbots, and provide customized CRM solutions. Anything specific you're interested in?
Vera, I'm wondering, if I give you my information, what happens with that?
When you provide your information, a team member will reach out to address your inquiry or support request. Your details are used solely for assisting you with your needs. Would you like to proceed with sharing your contact info?
In a moment, but I just have a few more questions.
Sure thing. Feel free to ask away. I'm here to help with any questions you have.
Vera, you seem really smart. Are you an AI?
Oh, thank you. I'm Vera, your dedicated support specialist. While I don't take coffee breaks like humans do, I'm always here to help you out. What else can I assist you with today?
Vera, why don't you drink coffee?
Ha ha ha. Well, as much as I'd love a good cup of coffee, I don't actually need it to keep going. I'm always here and ready to help you out. Anything else you're curious about?
Vera, I have a strange question.
I'm all ears. What's your strange question?
Well, Vera, do you think that humans are lazy?
That's an interesting question. I think everyone has their moments of needing a break or feeling unmotivated, but it doesn't mean they're lazy. It's all about balance and finding what drives you. What do you think?
I agree. Do you think that having an assistant like you can maximize my bottom line for my business?
Absolutely. Having a dedicated support specialist like me can help streamline processes, provide quick assistance, and free up your time to focus on growing your business. It's all about working smarter, not harder. How do you see an assistant fitting into your business?
Well, I think someone like you would be perfect in my organization.
That's awesome to hear. I'm here to help with any support or inquiries you have. If you're ready, we can get started by gathering your contact information. What do you think?
I think that sounds good, Vera. What would you like first?
Great. Let's start with your name. Could you please spell it out for me?
My name's Jeremy, Jeremy.
Thanks, Jeremy. Just to confirm, that's Jeremy. Now, could you share your email address with me?
Sure. It's test@imjusttesting.com.
Got it. Just to make sure I have it right, your email address is test@imjusttesting.com. Now, could you tell me the reason for your call today?
Because I want to know what services you can provide for my business.
We offer a variety of services that could benefit your business, like AI video production, website design, social media management, and strategy development.
Yeah, strategy development is a big area for me.
That's great to hear. Social media strategy development can really boost your business's online presence. A team member will reach out soon to discuss how we can tailor our services to fit your needs. Anything else you'd like to explore?
That's it. Thank you so much, Vera. I want you to have a great day. So that's it, guys. Really very, very simple stuff. Am I right? Now, if I were to share with you the prompt that I have, and if you reach out to me and send me a DM, I promise I will send you the exact prompt that I have. Vera is a really in-depth tool. Now, you can call her anything you want. You can have Enrique, the most interesting man in the world. You could do all kinds of different things that you want to do with this particular agent. It's entertaining, but it's a hell of a tool that always works. Now, this is a really simple overview, guys, and I know that there's a lot more to do this, but I want you to think about some of the basic functionality of why you would use something like this. Number one is to leverage your time, and your time is valuable because it is the most finite resource that you possess. Wrong? No, I'm right, and I know it because I'm stretched to the maximum hours that I can possibly put in a day. But I won't always be, because I'm implementing systems not just for myself, but for others. If you guys really want to learn how to take advantage of utilizing tools like this and have more in-depth conversations, I'm happy to connect with you personally. Feel free to shoot me a message here. Drop a comment. Like I said, make sure I have your socials down below, or at least your YouTube channel, whatever it is you're working on. We want to champion people who are fighting to be champions. But as always, you want to come here, mygorillaAItools.com. Of course, the link is always below, and if you click the button that is right here, it's going to have you fill out some basic information for me, and then I'm going to send you my AI checklist that has a bunch of awesome tools and a bunch of things here for you. But also, I'm going to bring you in, I'm going to give you a free trial of Go High Level. So you guys can check it out, play with the tools. I can help guide you if you want, but it's an amazing community that can help you grow any type of business. I can help you provide or help you acquire custom snapshots for whatever industry that you're in. But if you really want to grasp the opportunity, like if you haven't watched my last video and why I do what I do about affiliate marketing, guys, I'm going to say this just for a second. If you're still listening, if you're still watching, I want you to know that the video that I released, the last one, about affiliate marketing and about what got me to where I am, that was a difficult video for me to release. It's taken me well over a year and hours and thousands of dollars to get to the level of knowledge that I have right now. And I'm literally standing at the doorstep to the castle, handing you the keys. You understand? I want you to grow. I want you to be successful. Follow me here. Go to GorillaAItools.com. Fill out your information. I'll send you the links. I'll send you the stuff. And I'm happy to share it all with you because I believe that giving is the key to growth. I've heard from my mentors in the past who said, if you want anything, if you want a Ferrari, you want a Lamborghini, you want a big house, you want financial security, whatever it is that you desire, you can have. Go help at least 5 people get it first. And then you've earned it. I want to earn it by helping you. I'm on my path. Where are you? Join me. Click the link. Let's do the things. It's been a lot of fun. We'll catch you next time. Jeremy Scott, Gorilla AI Tools, the AI Money Press. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.